How to fix Oxygen not included crashing. 1. Meet the minimum system requirements. 2. Restart your computer. 3. Run the game as an administrator. 4. Run the game in compatibility mode. 5. Change branches in Oxygen not included. 5.1 Apply the none opt-out of all beta programs. 5.2 Launch the Verify Integrity of Game Files option. 6. Install Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 runtime. 7. Update your graphics driver. Using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 8. Check for Windows updates. 9. Reinstall your game.